Hey, what's going on? Good morning, YouTube. I've got a repair here in Austin that I'm doing, helping out. Got another chiller tech here. He's got a lot of calls on his plate, so it's just a real easy repair. That relief right there, it's leaking through. It's got a little fusible element that melts, and when it does, it blows out the charge. It's supposed to be a safety. Whenever the pressure gets too high, it melts that element right there and blows out the charge. So everything's good with the unit. It's just it's leaking through, so we need to replace that. Right now, I'm recovering up the charge from this circuit into this pig right here, and that's what I've got today. I mean, I've been pretty busy just doing different stuff, controls, light repairs, this and that. So nice little change of pace. Come over here, work on a unit like this. So it's for a school, and I think it's about to turn over next week where everybody goes back to school. Classes start. So I just got the control here set for off, just to kill the operation to the chillers, or to the compressors rather, so I can make this repair for you. So that's where I'm at right now. Alright, so on this repair, right now I've got the valve out going to the liquid side before it hits the economizer and then goes to the barrel. I've got that valve off, and then that actuator on the discharge line closes off to the compressor, and I'm just evacuating between the liquid line and the discharge line right there as it leaves the compressor. That way I'm just evacuating between the coils and the line set. So that way we don't have too much to recover. We don't have to recover the entire thing. It's been leaking for a little bit, for a while, so I'm gonna have to top off the charge. Got a couple of drums of 134A, but my plan is to get it low enough where maybe I've got 10 psi where I can pop that fusible plug off real quick, pop on the new one, no problem. I've already got it taped up, and I've got some Loctite sealing on there, thread seal, 565. That's what I normally use for those kinds of fittings. Or 567 is good too. 567 is high temp, which you could use, of course, for higher temperatures, on discharge lines and all that. But this is the liquid line, so it should never get that hot. So that should be just fine. And we'll go from there. Got a little tech tip for y'all. If you ever worked in a confined space, a lot of things to bump your head, especially right here. I was kneeling down, and I noticed this expansion tech right above me. Always hang a rag or put something just to kind of mark it off. That way, when you walk past it, you remember it's there. You won't bang your head every so often where you're trying to work. So. Guys, so she's alive and well. I've got this chiller serving this air handler as well as some other air handlers that go out into the building. So right now I got this circuit already starting to go. There's the pressure relief that I just replaced, and I'll wait till the stage is up, and then we'll start taking a good look at that charge, make sure we don't fall below freezing. So I'll keep my eyes on this, and that's pretty much it for right now, man. Thanks for watching.